Hey yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Jello. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. And in today's video I'm going to be going over Fibonacci, the levels that I use to trade off it, and how I pick the correct supply and demands to trade off. So getting right into it, we're going to delete this. I'm going to show you my Fibonacci levels. So boom, here you go. Here's Fibonacci levels: 0%, 79%, 886, and 100. You can use these as percents, you use these as decimals. If you use them as decimals, they're 0.886 and 0.790. And here's the settings right here. Go down, you can use them as percents or decimals, just like this. I tend to use them as percents. I just like it more. So getting right into it, what you want to do with fibs is pull it from the swing low to the swing high. So say we've got, that's not a great example. Let me delete this. Sorry about that. We'll do it like this, okay? So I know price isn't gonna look like this in the real market, but it's just an example. The swing low, pull it to the swing high. Bring this down a little bit. And where do we want to enter? We want to enter off 790 and 886. That's our golden zone. That's the zones that I always have read on my Instagram posts, on my trades, on my analysis, everything. This is where you want to enter. So when price comes back down to this level, we want for a little confirmation, whatever, for it to come back up to the swing high for our take profit. Now you can use Fibonacci levels for profits, but personally I just take my profits at the last swing high. It's just how I trade. It's how I've seen, my backtesting, my real life, real time trading work. I've been doing this for about 2 years. I've been on the charts for thousands and thousands of hours. I've backtested for thousands of hours. I've traded real time for thousands of hours. I've seen it play out, and this is just personally how I like to trade, what works best for me. You can use what works best for you, trade the way you want, but this is how I trade Fibonacci. These are my levels. Let me delete this for you guys. So right off the bat, we'll go into a real-time example. I already marked this up because I did do a video right before this, but I didn't like it, so I'm redoing it. Here you go. What do we have? We've got an uptrend here, right? We've got a low, we've got a higher low, equity right here, and now we've got our higher low, swing low. Now we pull our fib from this last swing low. Let me delete these so it's easier for you to understand. Last swing low to the last, or the swing high from this impulse. So this move right here, we want to mark the swing high and the swing low. So let me just redo this. We'll start from here and then drag our Fibonacci tool to the swing high. So start from the low, drag it to the high, right? Now, what do you want? Right, we pulled our fib from the swing low to the swing high. Now we wait for price to come back down into our demand zone that lined up with the fib levels to now enter with a little bit more confluence, buys, and we could put the stop loss at either the swing low or right below the order block, the demand zone. I put it at demand zone. Sometimes I'll extend it to put it to the swing low, but for this video we're just going to keep it right at the bottom. And look what happens. Price comes up high, pull the fib, price comes back down almost immediately on the 1 minute. If you look at the 5 minute, it's as clear as day. It's a straight up, straight down, straight up. This is a perfect structure, perfect order flow on Friday. This is probably the best order flow and structure we've had on NASDAQ in about, I can't even tell you how long. Friday was insane. Hopefully the market, that's really it. Swing low to the swing high, enter off to 79 and 886. Make sure it lines up with your point of interest, your supply or your demand. So same thing. What we'll do is look for another setup here on a sell setup. Alright, so what we have right here is a sell setup. We take the fib from the swing high, we bring it to the swing low, we mark up our supply zone right here, boom, and also lines up their fib, giving us a little bit more confluence. Price comes up, taps into our supply zone and our fib zone, 79886. Look at that, just like that, simple. It's, yet again, it's 10-15 minute trade. 4 RR, you're risking $1,000 on the funded. A personal account, you're making 4,000. Simple. And also, I'm not going to take 100% credit for this. These levels, I got these levels from ZM Capital. Check him out on YouTube, Instagram. I'll put his link in the description. But yeah, I mean, that's really it for Fibonacci. Once again, here are my levels. Screenshot if you want. You know, do what you ever gotta do. This percents, I'll change it to decimals, just like that, decimals. So swing low to swing high for uptrend, swing high to swing low for the downtrend. Make sure it lines up with your supply, make sure it lines up with your demand, whichever way you're trying to trade. And that's really it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just to let you guys know, the course will be coming out September 1st. But yeah, that's really it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Let me know how you like the video. Also subscribe if you're new, please, it helps a lot. Go check out my Instagram in the description. I post a lot of content there every other day. I try to. We're almost at 10K, we're almost at 1,000 subs. Let's hit it. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, I'm out. Peace.